Hello, YouTube. Okay, we back to regular schedule programming. Someone said to me that, I think they were insinuating that I did too much talking in my last Eat With Me video. So, on that note, can I just talk a little bit? The way my stomach just came out so I could eat is crazy. YouTube. Today I came prepared. YouTube. Big old me on this app. Not saying I can't be on this app because of my age. But big old me on this app. I will comment back. I've been on the internet for years now. I am not a stranger to negative comments. I will retaliate. I am petty. There's a full moon in Taurus, and I'm a Taurus. The full moon is in me, guys. I'm gonna retaliate. I'm sorry. But don't waste your time to comment negativity, because I will take time out of my life to reply. And I get it, like, sometimes you can take things out of context. But just don't say anything. Like, if you feel like your comment could be misread, just don't comment. Just shut up. Respectfully. Someone said it's not cute. Let me just sit down, okay? Let me just sit back down. Like, girl, relax. Okay? Stop it. Just go back to whatever you eat with me. How about that? How about you get a plate and come sit down and we eat together? Okay, I'm gonna stop. But I'm just like, what the hell? I feel like maybe I'm gonna have to stop commenting, you know? I'm just like, you know, I'm a bull. Don't provoke me, because I will charge. Full speed ahead. Catch me in part 2. And I promise I won't be doing as much talking as this.